Well, be weather aware through the course of the evening. Tomorrow, your Tuesday evening, going to highlight an alert day for the risk of strong to severe storms after 6 p.m. That will include all modes of severe weather, at least the potential of that. Gusty winds, large hail, and can't rule out the risk that we could be seeing some tornadoes with rotating storms that could be developing in our area tomorrow evening. It will be after 6 p.m. Till then, things will remain fairly quiet. We are dipping back into the mid-50s, right around 60 toward Findlay, 55 in Monroe, 54 in Fremont, and Tiffin at 56 degrees. Now, all things quiet on Doppler radar here locally. There isn't any rain falling, no storms expected for tonight. We'll scoot out the door tomorrow morning with dry conditions first thing in the morning. We'll have to take you over toward what tomorrow afternoon will bring, though, and it is the risk of strong and severe storms, a level 3 out of 5 in this area from Fort Wayne to Lima, including Findlay down toward Columbus, of strong to severe storms. And really, at this point, any area in northwest Ohio and southern Michigan will at least have the risk of strong or severe storms. Now, while we can't really focus on the specifics of this, the greater tornado threat, including even the potential of a couple strong tornadoes, could show up on the southern and western edge of our viewing area. Bottom line is, I want you to be alert tomorrow evening, have multiple ways to get warnings, and have that WTOL 11 weather app downloaded. It will send you direct alerts should severe weather threaten. Severe weather is threatening right now across the central and southern plains. Look at this toward Oklahoma City. In fact, video earlier today, it captured the incredibly dark clouds. And look at this coming out of Oklahoma. Some of the helicopters and storm chasers were able to capture what was some confirmed tornadoes and very scary dark looking clouds, indication of those heavy storms that have been rumbling through Oklahoma. Now, storms do continue back here on Doppler radar. And look at this moments ago, just about 30 minutes ago, reports were this very intense tornado went right through Barnsdall, Oklahoma. And at this point, a tornado after dark, a very serious concern, but it had that classic hook echo and what appears to be a very strong tornado hitting a direct hit on that city in Oklahoma. Now, we're going to be quiet the rest of the night tonight. You're going to get out the door tomorrow morning. No rain going to be expected first thing in the morning. Through about lunchtime, it's going to be dry. It's after 1 p.m. That's when we get the brief chance of a shower or a rumble of thunder. No severe weather at that point. It will be after 6 p.m. that we get that risk of strong to severe storms, gusty winds, large hail. And yes, at this point, can't rule out the risk of rotating storms, as we're going to have a warm front right up into our region that could create some of that spin in the atmosphere around a few of those storms. Those storms will march to the east through about 8 to 9 o'clock and clear our area by 11 p.m. This time tomorrow, I expect that risk of severe weather will be past us. Could bring wind gusts to 60 miles per hour or greater. Hail, get this, up to 2 inches in diameter. And it is possible, just being very clear about that risk, of a tornado or two into tomorrow evening. Highs on Tuesday will reach into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. That rain and storm threat increases into the evening. After 6 p.m. is what we have our alert out for the risk of strong and severe storms. It's going to remain unsettled. No additional severe weather Wednesday. 40% chance of showers and storms, and then we turn cooler Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday. The continued chance of daily rain showers through the end of the work week and into the weekend, including Mother's Day. That's Sunday. Highs right around the upper 60s with a few showers possible.